In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job category in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Smartsheet or not very familiar with the settings menu, you'll be able to follow along easily. Make sure you're already signed into your Smartsheet account before you begin and that you're on the main home screen. First, look toward the lower left corner of your Smartsheet window. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small avatar image, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your gateway to account-related options and personal preferences. After you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the option labeled Personal Settings. Click on Personal Settings to open a new window or panel. This section is where you can adjust how Smartsheet behaves for you personally, including things like your name display, notifications, and in this case, categories related to your work. Once the Personal Settings window is open, look through the options on the left-hand side. You should see several tabs or categories of settings. Find and click on the one called Category. This is where Smartsheet allows you to manage and organize job-related categories or similar classifications that help you and your team stay organized. When you're in the Category section, you'll see the available categories that can be associated with your work in Smartsheet. Here, you can select the appropriate job category that best describes your role, project, or the type of work you're doing. Click on the category you want to use. If there's a drop-down or list, simply choose the option that fits your needs. After you've made your selection, Smartsheet will usually save your choice automatically, but it's always a good idea to check for any Save or Apply button in the window. If you see one, click it to confirm your changes. Once that's done, you can close the Personal Settings window, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated to your profile, opened Personal Settings, gone into the Category section, and selected the job category you want to use in Smartsheet.